Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make a delicious egg sauce. I'll be using tomatoes, bell peppers, onions. I'm going to be slicing them. In a pot, I'll add oil. When the oil is hot, add sliced onions. Stir. I'll fry the onions till the onions is translucent. Add sliced tomatoes, peppers, and stir. I'll leave it to cook on a medium to high heat for 10 minutes. I have some egg crack ready. I'll season with salt, black pepper, whisk them together. I'll also be using sardines. I'll open and remove it from the can. The sauce is be cooking now for 10 minutes. I will season with season powder, salt, and stir. Add the sardines. Add the eggs. Give it a gentle stir. Cover and leave to cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I'll stir. At this point, the eggs is not yet cooked. Cover and leave it for another 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll stir. I'll add green bell peppers, onions, spring onions. You can taste, adjust the season if needed. At this point, my kitchen smells amazing. I'll leave it to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes and the egg sauce is ready. You can enjoy it with rice, bread. I'm having it with yam. The egg sauce tasted so delicious. Will you be trying it out? Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye.